welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be bringing you a Shein haul and I cannot wait. Shein have the best things on there at the minute for spring, for summer, and well, in general. I just think that they're always on trend, of course, and yeah, I just love Shein so much. I am really happy to say that I am collabing with Shein again on this video, so thank you so much to Shein for gifting me these items. Really appreciate it. And yeah, anyway, I've got a few bits and pieces here to show you. I have picked a few bits out for my holiday. Me and Sam are actually going to Tenerife at the end of April, which I am so excited for. It has been 2 years since I've been away. My last holiday was when me and Sam went to New York, actually. He got me it for Christmas in 2019. And then obviously we went like just before New Year, just after Christmas, just before New Year, and then came back in like the new year of 2020. And then obviously all of this COVID stuff happened, and then we hadn't been able to go on holiday since. So yeah, I am super excited, a little bit nervous at the same time, because obviously traveling again with all of the new restrictions and things. But either way, I am super excited just to get away. We're going away for 10 nights and 11 days. And yeah, I'm just super excited for a little piece of like tranquility. Is that what you call it? Just a little breakaway, peace and quiet, and yeah, super excited. So that is what some of these items, or majority of these items, are for. So yeah, let's just get on into the video. If you do enjoy, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. We are so close to 8K now. Thank you so much if you are already subscribed. It means the world to me. Obviously, subscribing is absolutely free, so if you don't have an account and you watch my videos, please make an account and subscribe, and then you'll be notified every time I upload as well if you press that little bell. Yeah, it just really helps me out. And yeah, thank you so much if you are already subscribed though, because it means the world. Make sure you go follow me over on my Instagram and my TikTok. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on into the video. So first things first, I'm just going to address it. Excuse my bare face. I am wanting to just like be a bit more barefaced over here on my channel. Don't feel like I need to wake up on like my day off and think, oh, I'm gonna film a video today, and think, oh, I've got to put full face of makeup on though to do that. I'm gonna try and like just come on here, do my main channel videos barefaced a bit more often, because I don't do it enough. And yeah, I am suffering so bad with my chin, as always do. Like, oh, I don't know, majority at the minute is scarring. Like, this is like quite good for my skin. But anyway, yeah, I need to come on here way more often than I actually do already for a main sit down video, and just film with a bare face. Like, I've got some mascara on and I've got some like Comex on, but anyway, yeah, that is just what I'm gonna say. I've scraped back my hair as well, just gelled it down because it's hair wash day today, and yeah, it needs washing. So I just thought, oh, I just scrape it back, just easy. But anyway, let's start with this. So I think this is my most favourite thing that I picked up. So I have already worn this. I wore this, and I actually chose this specifically for last weekend when I went out with all my friends for my best friend Gemma's surprise little get together, and I love this outfit so much. So it is a little cord set. So it comes with this little mini skirt. How gorgeous is the colour, by the way? It's like this emerald green. So it's this little like mini skirt. It has a zip on the back, and I don't know if you can like kind of see what material that is, but it's quite a soft material, not thick, not thin, just right. And yeah, it's really, really soft. So yeah, I got the skirt, and then it also comes with the showstopper piece as such. This is going to be so hard to show you. Here is the top. So it's like really, really puffy sleeves, which I love. It's got like the frilly wrists, and then here at the center it like does a thing around your boobs. Made my boobs look massive. It literally held them there quite well. It's really supportive. And yeah, you can tie these string bits, as you can see they're so long, and do like a little detailing, wrap it around and crisscross things. I love this outfit so much and I'm so glad I got it, and it was perfect for last weekend, and I can't wait to take it on holiday because I'm definitely going to be taking it on holiday with me. And yeah, I got this co-ord outfit in a size extra small as well. Majority of my things, depending on what the item is, from Shein is always an extra small or a small. I just choose what I think. You know when like you're browsing on Shein and you can look at something and just be like, oh, I'll be that size in that thing or that size in that thing. Like if it's a top, majority of the time I'll get a small just because of my boobs. But with this, I wanted to risk getting an extra small, which was perfect. Small would have been way too big for me around my waist with the skirt. But yeah, this fit me perfectly, and I'm a size like 8 to 10. But yeah, this extra small fitted me perfectly and I love this outfit so much. Next thing I've got in this little cute bag. How sweet is this? I don't think I've got a size of this bag before from Shein. The thing that came in this little bag was this cute little crop top. Just looks like this. It's a lacy little piece. I really like this, and I thought on holiday with my denim shorts, a nice tan, this would be insane. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It just goes over your head. It's quite stretchy, as you can see. And yeah, it's got the extra lining there for your boobs. I don't wear a bra with this. It's perfectly fine without one because of the lining. It's not see-through at all. So yeah, I picked that up and I really like it. I love a like lacy piece, and I thought this with some denim shorts would look really nice for one of the evenings on holiday. So yeah, I got that in a size. What size did I get this one in? Does it even say? I got this one in a size small because of the cups, and for my boobs, yeah, I got it in a size small. Next thing I'm going to show you is a pair of sunglasses. Now, if you haven't ever had any Shein sunglasses, then you need to get some because they're just so good on there. Like, I love them, and they always come in these really nice sunglass cases, always packaged so well. And yeah, I just love these sunglass cases so much. So these sunglasses are really cool. It also comes with a little, what are these called, like dust cloth? I don't know, but anyway, these sunglasses, I've never had any like this before, but I just love them. So they just look like so, like they're mirrored, and they're quite big. I can't remember what type of sunglasses these are, but either way, this is what they look like. I'll show you them on. They are big, they are so big, but I thought if I don't take them on holiday, then for festival season, these are gonna be sick. Like, I love them. I love the fact that they're mirrored as well. As you can see my window in front of me. But yeah, I love them. I think they're so nice, and yeah, there's not really much else to say. All I've got to say is that you need to hop on to Shein sunglasses like section and just have a look on there, because you are bound to find some sunglasses that you love. They're always so reasonably priced as well. All of the prices for these things I'll leave on the screen as well for you, and they'll all be linked in the description down below too, so then you can obviously hop over to the website quickly and find what you are looking for if you do want to pick up anything that I have here in this haul today. They are the sunglasses, and I love those so much. I've not got a pair like this at all. So yeah, that is those. Then I'm gonna go on to something with a little bit of colour. This is like the only bright colourful thing that I got in this haul, but I really like this colour. I was braving it when I chose this. This is gonna look so much better on, by the way. So this is another co-ord set. Oh, dropping it. So it is a skirt, which just looks like so. It's like a ruched skirt. So you can like tighten these side bits so then it can be shorter or a longer skirt. It's got an elasticated waist, and it's like a mesh but double lined mesh material, so it's not see-through. If you can see that, it's like a really soft mesh. I love it. So I think this is from a different collection as well. So it says Shein Sexy, I think it's from that collection. But yeah, I just really liked it. I love this colour. For holiday, it's going to be perfect. For the evenings, probably for like more of a dressy evening, this one. But yeah, and then it also comes with this top. Just looks like so. So it like hangs like low where your boobs are. Obviously, as you can see, the back is very, very like mesh see-through, but where the bit hangs where your boobs are, it kind of covers your boobs. You may need to wear like some petals or something with it, or even if you want to wear like a little white bralette or something underneath it, I think that'll look really, really cool. Or even an orange one. If you can get one of those ones from Primark in orange. I don't think I've actually seen any in orange before. But yeah, either way, if you wear a little bralette underneath it, I don't think that would matter. I still think it would look great. That is that little cord. Like I say, that will look so much better in the try-on clip because me holding it up to show you, you can't really see it very much. I got that cord in a size extra small as well. Yeah, perfect for holiday. Next thing is another little crop top. So I just picked out this one here. So it looks a bit strange. So it's like a little, what are they called, like Bordeaux? No, not a Bordeaux because they've not got straps. It's like a little scarf top, handkerchief top. I don't actually know, I've like literally gone mind blank, but anyway, it is so cute. I love this little top. I didn't necessarily get this one for holiday. I may take it because again, with denim shorts, I think this will look really, really nice. So it's got these long straps at the back which you tie a little bow on. It's got the adjustable straps on like for over your shoulders. I probably wouldn't wear a bra with this again, but it just looks really flattering on as well. And like I say, with denim shorts, I think it'll look really nice. And my wet look flare trousers, I was thinking for this, like if I just want to go for a few drinks with the girls. I really like the pattern on it as well. I got this in a size small, just because it's a top. Majority tops I get in a size small, but if it's a set, then I'll always get an extra small. But yeah, I really, really like that, and it's just going to be a nice little piece to either dress up, dress down. And then the last thing for this haul is a dress, and again, this is going to be so hard to show you, like just with me holding it up, so I'm going to have to try this on, and you'll see better in the try-on clip. But it just looks like this, and it is one of those dresses, so it's a black bodycon dress, but it's so cute. So you can tie this around your neck like so, and then you've got these really, really long bits of material to like play with and like wrap them around your like tummy, your stomach area, and just like create a little design of like what you like. But yeah, that dress is just going to be so much easier to show you in the try on clip, so I will do that. I got this dress in a size, if I can find the label, let me have a look. I got it in a size extra small, and yeah, this on holiday again, I'll probably take this with me just as a little evening outfit. I found these perfect little heeled sandals in Primark, and they didn't have any left in my size, and they were in like this white creamy ivory colour. And yeah, I loved them, but they didn't have my size. So I'm gonna have to go back before my holiday and have a look for those again, because they're the really tiny heel ones, and I've not got any shoes like that. And I really need some because I love heels. I love the way that they look, but they just hurt my feet. So the little ones I think will be absolutely fine. So that is it for today's haul. I really do hope you enjoyed. If you did want to pick up any of the things that I picked up in today's haul, then it'll be all linked in the description down below, and what size I got as well. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I really do hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go follow me over on my Instagram and my TikTok, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.